In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add thumbnail in YouTube video on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and in order to add a thumbnail to your YouTube video from mobile, first off we need to download the app which is called YT Studio. We can easily find that app in the App Store or at the Google Play. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play, hit search and then enter YT. YT means YouTube, and then Studio. That's how we can easily find that app, and then just download it to your device and open it up, just like that. After that, make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and once it is done, tap right here at Content. That's where we can easily find all our videos on the selected YouTube channel. And then let's say I wanna change a thumbnail for that video. In order to do that, I'm gonna tap right here at these three dots next to it and then select Edit. After that, we'll be taken to the page where we can check our current thumbnail, and then in order to change it, we just need to tap right here at that picture icon. After that, we'll be able to choose one of three auto-generated thumbnails based on some specific parts of that video. However, if we would like to upload our custom image, we need to hit right here at Change, and then we'll be taken to the camera roll. And from here, we can select any picture to set it as a thumbnail for that particular video. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.